Major tech stocks a bit mixed in the early hours of Thursday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Apple looks like it's going to open up pretty much flat as we continue to hug the 50-day EMA in what has been lackluster trading over the last couple of weeks, but quite frankly, there are a lot of moving pieces here, not the least of which, of course, is going to be whatever situation we have going on between the Americans and the Chinese. Remember, the trade war has a direct influence on the bottom line for Apple as they make most of their products in China. So I think we're more or less in a wait and see type of situation. Google, it looks like it's going to open a bit higher during the trading session here on Thursday as markets continue to look at this as a potential uh, way to play technology via AI and, of course, just the overall risk on type of situation that we may find ourselves in. So, with that being the case, I think you have to look at the market through the prism of whether or not we are going to reach escape velocity from the 200-day EMA, which I think we probably are. And go looking to the $180 level. Short-term pullback should see plenty of support near the 200-day EMA as well as the 165 level. Microsoft looks like it's going to open higher during the trading session on Thursday as well as we continue to see this massive run higher. At this point in time, we are overdone and it's a bit difficult to chase, although it looks like people are doing exactly that in the pre-market. What we really need to see is a pullback, and I would love to see a pullback to the 50-day EMA, but that would mean that we would have to drop about $44. Because of this, I consider Microsoft a market that's just impossible to short because it's so strong, but really foolish to chase at this point. Very bullish, obviously, and if you were already in Microsoft, clearly you were doing quite well. Perhaps moving stop losses to $470 would make a bit of sense here as it was a previous support level and protecting your gains. But beyond that, there's really not a lot to do here. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.